Success with Padflash OBD. Read and write man truck Bosch EDC7C32 Plus like a pro. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now because you won't want to miss what we've got in store for you. And don't forget to ring the bell so you stay updated every time we upload a fresh video to help you level up your auto diagnostics game. Trust me, it only takes a second to subscribe, but it makes a huge difference in keeping this channel going. All right, let's dive right into today's video. First off, a quick reminder. This video is all about education and sharing useful information with you. All the demonstrations, tips, and discussions you'll see today are aimed at helping technicians, car enthusiasts, and anyone interested in understanding more about automobile diagnostics and programming. We follow all the fair use guidelines, and all images, clips, or references are strictly for educational purposes. We don't use any copyrighted material for commercial purposes, and all brand names mentioned belong to their rightful owners. So, make sure you follow all manufacturer guidelines and local regulations when working on vehicles. Always stay safe. Now, let's get into the exciting stuff. In today's video, we're testing out the incredible Padflash ECU programmer. And let me tell you, it is a game changer. We've successfully used it to read and write the man truck Bosch EDC7C32 plus MPC 561 via OBD. And the results? Well, they speak for themselves. No errors, no hassle, just pure success. For those of you out there looking to work on man trucks or any Bosch EDC7C32 plus ECUs, the Padflash ECU tool is something you absolutely need to have in your diagnostic toolbox. Let's break down how this process works so you can replicate it without any stress. Here's a step-by-step guide to getting the job done. 1. Connect your Padflash tool to your computer. First, plug your Padflash ECU tool into your computer using the provided USB cable. Make sure your computer is running either Windows 7 or Windows 10 64-bit to ensure full compatibility. Then, insert the USB key that comes with your Padflash device into the computer to activate it. A stable internet connection is essential here, so check that your network is working smoothly before proceeding. 2. Select the right ECU model. Once everything's connected, open the Padflash Update Manager on your computer. From there, select the appropriate model. In this case, we are focusing on DAF CF75 Cummins Bosch EDC7C3. Make sure you have your stand adapter in place as you connect the Padflash to the man truck via the OBD cable. This is a crucial step to ensure the tool is correctly linked to the vehicle's ECU. 3. Read ECU data. Next up, hit the ECU data button to read the original ECU data. This step is key, as you want to make sure everything is in order before moving on. Be patient, as it may take a moment for the system to load the information. 4. Read the file. Once the ECU data is pulled, click on the Read File option to grab the file and save it to your computer. Don't forget to turn off the ignition once this step is complete to ensure the safety of your system. 5. Open the file. Now, choose the desired file you wish to write to the ECU. This is where you can go ahead and modify or replace files based on your diagnostic needs. 6. Write the file. Finally, click on the Write File/Recovery button to transfer the new file back to the ECU. Once the writing process is complete, you'll be all set. The job is done, and your man truck Bosch EDC7C32 plus ECU is successfully updated. Mission accomplished. But wait, there's more. Did you know that Padflash ECU tool also successfully reads and writes the Mercedes-Benz CRD 3.10 ECU via both OBD and bench methods? That's right. Whether you're working on man trucks or luxury Mercedes-Benz vehicles, Padflash is designed to handle both with ease, making it an all-in-one solution for many of your ECU programming needs. This versatility is one of the reasons why I highly recommend it for any technician looking to streamline their work. Huge shout out to my amazing subscribers. I can't thank you all enough for your continued support. You're the reason this channel exists. If you've been watching but haven't hit that subscribe button yet, now's the time to do it. It's totally free and it supports the channel so I can keep bringing you these helpful tutorials. Also, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, drop your thoughts or any questions you might have in the comment section below, and consider giving a super thanks if you want to take your support to the next level. Your feedback is always appreciated, and sharing the video helps spread the knowledge to others who might need it. Thanks so much for sticking around and watching till the end. Keep on diagnosing like a pro, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy vehicle programming.